Good morning, dear children. Now, next chapter, that is data handling. This is the last chapter according to your half yearly. Okay, this chapter it's very easy, so you have to do in book only this chapter. So, what is the mean of the data? Collecting information. That is the mean of the data. Here you can learn. Suppose you are doing one survey and you are going door to door at every place their home and find out how many peoples are there, how many members are there in a one home, and their age and education. You are taking some record, going door to door their places and finding this criteria, their people, number of people, age and education. You are writing on their diary, yeah, in your file. Okay, that is called a collecting data. That means you are collecting a data. Now, recording of data. Whenever you are recording the data, so you are using this tally marks. This tally marks, this one, these are the line. ये जो line है इनको tally marks बोलते हैं. And there is a represent like that. 1 के लिए represent कर देते हैं 1, 2 के लिए represent करते हैं this 2 line, and 3 के लिए this 3 line you have to draw, and 4 के लिए 1 2 3 4. बट 5 के लिए हाउ कैन यू रिप्रेजेंट इट? 1 2 3 4 और 5 के लिए क्या कर देंगे? एक स्लैंटिंग लाइन यू हैव टू क्रॉस अलॉन्ग दिस 4 लाइन. ओके, ऐसे क्रॉस करते हुए बनेंगे. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? 5 इन अ टैली मार्क्स. सो रिकॉर्डिंग डेटा हमेशा अपन किस में फीड करते हैं? टैली मार्क्स में. ओके, फ्रीक्वेंसी. Suppose the number is coming more than repeat itself. The number of time an observation repeat itself is called a frequency. You are going in everywhere house and that you are asking how many members, and members पूछ रहे हो सबके घर में जा जाके, और सबके 666 आ रहे हैं members. Okay, 6 member, it means that repeating 6 digit is repeating. Most of time, most of house में 6 digit repeat हो रही है, यानी सबके house में 6 members आ रहे हैं ज़्यादातर. ओके, मैक्सिमम 6 पीपल्स आ रहे हैं हर एक के, तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? फ्रीक्वेंसी. दैट इज द मीन ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी. द नंबर ऑफ टाइम एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन रिपीट इटसेल्फ इन द डेटा इज कॉल्ड इट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी. So here I took here is given example, so I am introduce this example also to you. Frequency table. Favorite fruit of class 5 student? Apple. It means 12 student will be like this apple. कॉमन है 12 बच्चों में जिनको एप्पल बहुत पसंद है. एंड हाउ कैन यू रिप्रेजेंट दिस 12? पहले लिखा 1 2 3 4 एंड देन आफ्टर 5 हो गया, फिर 6 7 8 9 और ये 10. यू जस्ट टच इट बेटा, यहाँ पे टच नहीं हुआ. 10 और ये 11 और ये 12. दिस टाइप ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर यू विल गेट आफ्टर मेकिंग इन ए टैली मार्क्स. ऑरेंज कितने बच्चों को पसंद है? 8 बच्चों को पसंद आ रहा है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ए फ्रीक्वेंसी. ये फ्रीक्वेंसी है क्योंकि इनमें इन कॉमन बच्चे हैं. 12 कॉमन बच्चे, 8 कॉमन बच्चे जिनको ऑरेंज पसंद है, 6 कॉमन बच्चे जिनको गवावा पसंद है, सेम एज. एंड टोटल स्टूडेंट्स दैट यू आर गेटिंग 54 में से वी नो दैट 12 स्टूडेंट गेटिंग फेवरेट फ्रूट एप्पल, some orange, some guava, mango and pineapple. Okay, and remember always whenever you are making a frequency table, tally marks will be come in between of the frequency and the data name. जो data name है जिसका आप collect information ले रहे हो वो और frequency के बीच में tally marks आती है. ये frequency table का sequence होता है बनाने का. I hope so understand this question. Now using this frequency table and easily we can give the following answer which is asking in this question. Number 1, what is the most fruit among the student? What is the most fruit? So you have to look frequency. किसकी सबसे ज़्यादा frequency? You can see किसकी 12 and ये apple. So that answer is sorry बेटा 12 नहीं है, 17 is the greatest one. 17 is the greatest number of student. Then mango will be the favorite of most of students. So that answer is mango is the most favorite among the student. It is easy now. According to this data we will give the answer fast. What is the least favorite fruit? मतलब किसको सबसे ज़्यादा कम पसंद है fruit? So you have to look the frequencies. किसकी कम है? 6 कम है किसकी? गवावा की. तो गवावा it's least favorite fruit. Next one, how many student like pineapple? कितने बच्चे pineapple like करें? So look the pineapple frequency 11. Same as how many student like apple and guava? So you have to write the apple one number, and then guava number. Apple is liking 12 students and guava is 6 students like guava. And how many student participate in the survey? 54 student participate. Total students asking, so total कितने आ जाएंगे? 54. So understand how can you give the answers according to the frequency table. Use this frequency table and give the following questions answers. Next question, this graph is given in pictograph, and here is given each doll stand 400 not 100 dolls. ईच डॉल स्टैंड 400 डॉल, यानी एक डॉल रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है 100 डॉल को. सो यहाँ पे पहले अपन फ्रिक्वेंसी बना लेते हैं. हियर वी हैव टू मेक ए फ्रिक्वेंसी एंड देन आफ्टर इट विल बी ईजी टू गिव द आंसर. इन मंडे 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. यहाँ कितनी टोटल्स हो गई? 500 हो गई. नेक्स्ट 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. सो द आंसर इज हियर 800. 1, 2, 3, 4 यानी 400. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 700. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500. So here, then after, what is the following question we have to look here? See, this type of the you have to do, and then after easily you can give the answer. On which day the largest number of the doll were produced? Largest 800. It means Tuesday. प्रोडक्शन डॉल वर इक्वल है किस किस में? एक तो कौन से में? फ्राइडे और एक मंडे में. तो फ्राइडे एंड मंडे आ जाएगा. हाउ मेनी डॉल वर प्रोड्यूस ड्यूरिंग द वीक? तो क्या करना है? ड्यूरिंग द वीक मंडे से लेके फ्राइडे तक जो भी आ रहा है उन सबको ऐड कर देना. देन यू विल गेट हियर 2900 डॉल. ओके, ऐड करना है. नेक्स्ट वन, हाउ मेनी डॉल्स वर प्रोड्यूस ऑन थर्सडे? थर्सडे को कितनी डॉल प्रोड्यूस हो रही है? 700. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर 700. नाउ first one, this one question is based on pictograph. Now this question is based on bar graph. According to the bar graph, this one is also very easy to give the answer. देखो कैसे ये बार ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट है. अपन को बनाना कुछ नहीं है, ग्राफ दे रखा होगा एंड गिव द आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू द ग्राफ. ऑन विच डे द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट वो प्रेजेंट? मैक्सिमम नंबर यानी किस पे सबसे हाईएस्ट है? थर्सडे. तो दैट आंसर इज थर्सडे. ऑन विच डे द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट वो प्रेजेंट? ऑन विच डे? मिनिमम मंडे को थे. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट वो प्रेजेंट ऑन वेनेसडे? वेनेसडे. सो यू हैव टू लुक द वेनेसडे. हियर इज अ वेनेसडे एंड वेनेसडे इज कमिंग इन 25. सो दैट आंसर इज 25. Because here is asking how many students, so to give the answer in number. Now exercise 14.1, here you have to do this work in book only. First we have to arrange our frequency table. So here some data is given that is not in arrange properly, arrange नहीं है, so we have to arrange it. अब कैसे arrange करेंगे? 16 कितनी बार आ रहा है इस डेटा में, that we have to count and write it. Already it is filled in your book, so अपन को fill नहीं करना, but 21 data, so you have to count the 20 digit. कितनी बार आ रहा है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many times 20 is there? 7. So you have to write here 7 and write and make a frequency of this 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. You know it's slanting line across this 4 line. Then 6 or ye 7. Understand now? Now same as the 31 data we have to count in this one figure and write it. Same 35, 36, 40 and 45. So here you can see already I filled. Now after filling this one, this type of the frequency I got from in this data. Total 35 frequency are there. Okay, total is there 35. It means 16 marks getting 3 student, 35 student are there. Total student 35 student. 16 marks 3 student are getting, 20 marks 7 student, 30 marks 8 student, 35 5, 36 5 students are getting, 40 marks 2 student and 45 5 student are getting. So total student is here 35. Okay, now answer the following. Arrange the marks in ascending order. This ascending order you have to write in arrange. First 16, 20, 30, 35, 36, 40 and 45 like that. Complete the frequency table. Already we have done. What is the highest mark in the group? What is the highest marks in the group? 45 only. How many students scored highest mark? How many students scored highest mark? How many student highest marks? कितने बच्चों को मिला? 5. 5 students got highest marks. What is the lowest mark in the group? Lowest mark क्या है? 16. What is the lowest mark? 16 mark. is asking mark ना बेटा, तो you have to give the answer in mark. Here is the highest mark, so highest mark के लिए mark लिख दिया. How many students scored below 20? Below 20 कितने बच्चों ने लिया है? Below 20 किसके कितने marks हैं? Below 20 it means 16 marks. किसके आए हैं? 3 students के. Student is asking, so we have to write here the 3 students. How many students took the test? कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने लिया? टोटल अपन ने काउंट ऑलरेडी कर लिया, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर 35 स्टूडेंट. ठीक है. ऑलवेज आफ्टर मेकिंग ए फ्रीक्वेंसी टेबल, फ्रीक्वेंसी का हमेशा टोटल आपको करना ही है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ लुक क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. The following are the number of children in 20 families. Total families are given 20 family. So number of children is given. In some families are 1 children, in some family are 2 children, and some family are 3 children. In 9 family, 1 children are there. In 8 family, 2 children are there. And 3 family, 3 children are there. So total if you will do here, the 20 family it is coming. It means your frequency is correct. तुमने frequency क्या करा है? बिल्कुल सही करा है. Now you can write in a tally marks easily. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3. Fill in the tally and frequency column in the table given below. Already we have done. How many students have no brother or sister? How many students have no brother or sister? In one children, those who are having, उसके पास ना brother होगा ना sister होगा. How many students? So 1. Okay. How many families have their 3 children? कितनी फैमिली के पास में 3 children है? 3 फैमिली के पास में. Okay. How many children do most family have? How many children do most family have? 9. He is asking most family have. Family पूछा तो 9 family have 1 children. So that answer is 9 family have 1 children. So I hope so understand how can you do these data handling questions. You have to do this book work in book only. This question number 3. This type of the figure is given. So यहाँ पे C क्या है? क्रिकेट के लिए हो रहा है ये. T टेनिस के लिए स्टैंड कर रहा है. H हॉकी के लिए and V वॉलीबॉल के लिए. So we have to make first frequency table. So here I already did C T H V. स्पोर्ट लिखना है यहाँ पे, टैली मार्क्स एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी. दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी आफ्टर इट C काउंट करोगे कितना आ रहा है T and then after give the following answer. Now you have to do this type of the question 4 and 5 easily you can do. After that you are getting any problem, we will consult through WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye.